A 1 minute meditation to heal relationships. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tensions or negative emotions you may be holding on to. Visualize yourself standing in a garden surrounded by colorful flowers. Inhale the fragrance and exhale the negative emotions. Visualize yourself and your partner standing face to face, surrounded by a bright white light. This light represents love and healing energy. Repeat, I love you and I'm willing to forgive and let go of any hurt that has been holding us back. I'm open to healing and transformation. I'm grateful to the love we share. Feel the love and healing energy flowing between you and form a strong, loving bond. Repeat, I am willing to let go of the past and embrace a future with my partner. I am open to healing and transformation. I am grateful for the love we share. When you feel ready, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Visualize the light fading away, but the connection between you and your partner remaining strong and loving. Take a moment to appreciate the healing that has taken place. Know that you can return to this meditation whenever you need to. Open your eyes and return to the present moment.